Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Google Drive photos public. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So if you have any photos in Google Drive, let's take my folder here, which is photos 2, which is a folder. You can go ahead and you can make a single or a few photos public, or you can make an entire folder public. So let's say I want to make a single photo public. I can right click on this photo, then go to share, select share, and then you will have the option that says general access. Now you want to ensure that you switch this to anyone with this link. By default it's going to say restricted, but you want to switch this to anyone with this link. Then click on save, or go ahead and copy the link, or click on done, and then you can go ahead and share this link. No, that will be public, and anyone with this link will be able to view photos from your Google Drive. You can do that for a single photo, so let me go ahead and put this back to restricted. You can do it for an entire folder, which is going to change everything within this folder. So even if I switch this back to restricted and do it from a folder level, then everything within this folder will be available. So I can click and share, and I can switch this, anyone with this link, and they'll be able to view it. And that's it guys. You just need to go ahead and share the link of this folder, and then that's it. Very easy and very simple how to make Google Drive photos public. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.